What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits, and if you're looking for a work from home type of opportunity, you've come to the right place, okay? First of all, guys, I'm going to be going over 3 different opportunities that you can start today, and you can start getting paid either on the side, or if you want to, you can also do it full-time, all right? Before I do start, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and go ahead and like the video as well, okay? Now, the first company that I wanted to show you guys is called Just Answer. Alright, so you're going to go to Google, you're going to put in Just Answer, you're going to come down here, click on Offer Services, and Just Answer is a pretty good company. You're basically getting paid for your services, your expertise. So anything that you're good at, you're going to come here, and anybody that comes on the forum and they are asking questions, you just answer those questions and you get paid for it, okay? So it's very, very easy work. Especially when you know what you're answering the questions for, makes it 10 times easy, okay? So how it works is pretty simple. Like I said, you're offering your services online. You work when you want from anywhere, okay? So once you're approved, you can set your own hours and work as little or as much as you want. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, all right? You also will be making money doing what you love because you are an expert of any topic that you're answering. So you're gonna be earning money for doing that, okay? So the top experts do earn thousands each month helping customers, okay? So it's easy to apply. It's a 3-step process. You're going to select the category that you're expert of. You're going to submit your information and your credentials, and you should get approved, okay? All right, so these are the different categories that they have here. Of course, it says 175 plus categories, so these are the categories here. You'll just click see all in between them to see all the different categories. But they have animal behavior, appraisals, boat, cars, computer, consumer electronics, engineering, finance, general, heavy equipment, home improvement, homework, law, medical, veterinary, and wellness. As you can see, guys, there's a whole lot of different categories that you can choose from. And I'm sure that any of you guys are good at a good number of these things. You're probably an expert of it, so you'll definitely be coming here and you'll be able to find something that you like. Okay, so go ahead and make sure you bookmark this here and get on the website and apply for this one. Now the next one I have here for you guys is called Amazon Mechanical Turk, and this company basically pays you to work on the different websites that they have. Okay, so it's like different tasks on there. You just choose which one you want to do. And you're doing image and video processing. So you're going on the website to make sure that the images and the videos are set up correctly on the website. You can go on there and do data verification and cleanup. So data verification is basically making sure there's no duplicate data on the website. Everything is spelled correctly. Stuff like that. Just making sure everything is correct on there. You're doing information gathering. You're gathering information for the company, for the businesses, so they can make better decisions on how they want to market. All right. Data processing, which is pretty easy. You're doing editing and transcribing audio content. Okay. You're translating content from one language to another. If you're good in that field, you can also do that also. Okay. So it's a lot of different tasks that you can do here, and you will definitely get paid for it. All right, so once you're ready to get started, you'll just come here, you'll click on Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk, fill out the form, and they will get back to you and approve you. The next company, guys, is called TaskRabbit. Now, TaskRabbit is a personal favorite of mine. I've tried it before, and it's pretty good company, pretty good way to make money on the side, okay? It's very easy, guys. You come on the site, you fill out the form, and then what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and go on your phone. You're gonna install the app, and this is just the same as the other ones. You're getting paid for your expertise, so whatever you're good at, you're gonna get paid for here. Okay, so you're gonna look on the app. There's gonna be potential jobs on here. You're gonna choose which one you want. Once you've done that, then you can go ahead and confirm details with the client. Then you'll go ahead and complete the work and submit your invoice. Okay, so these are the different categories here that you can choose from. They have handyman, cleaning, delivery, moving, furniture assembly, and personal assistant. So if you're an expert in any of these, you can make some pretty good money with this company here. Okay, some of these here are gonna be involved with you going out to the site to do the work, and some will be home type of jobs like personal assistant. Okay, so if you can't do any of these here, then you're definitely going to make some money with this company, okay? So go ahead and get started. All you have to do is come here, fill out the form, start registration, go ahead and pull up the app on your phone, and once you're approved, you're ready to get started, okay? So I'm glad that you guys made it to the end of the video. If you're still looking for any more work from home opportunities, I will be bringing out some more. Definitely in the coming weeks, I will be coming out with some more videos for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can always be notified, and like the video, okay? Have a great day, guys, and stay blessed.